If you have a data set like this and don't know what to do with it, well, let me show you how to quickly find your highest revenue region, your top products, and real insights in just a few lines of Python. So here's the final results. We have total revenue, highest region, highest product, and we even did a visual. So now I'll show you step by step how to do this using Pandas. All right, so the first thing you want to make sure to do is create your file. I created my file here. It's called analyze.data.ipynb. It's a Jupyter Notebook file. So the first thing I want to do is I want to import my libraries. And we're using Pandas. All right, we're going to run this. And it ran successfully with the green check mark. Next, we want to download our CSV file. So again, in the previous videos, we cleaned our data set and we called it sales underscore data underscore cleaned. And run that. Now that we loaded our data set, we want to take a quick look. So df.head. This gives us the first 5 rows of our data set. Everything looks good. So let's start with a quick win. Let's look at total revenue. And boom, instantly we know how much the business made. But right now, the output looks a little messy because it's showing a NumPy data type. Let's format this so it looks more like a real business metric. I'm going to convert it into a clean dollar format with commas and 2 decimal places. So let's edit this code here. We're going to call this total revenue equals, and then now it's assigned to the DF revenue, the sum. Now we want to print it out. So print total revenue, and we will run this. And now this looks much better and easier to understand. Now let's answer a real business question. Which region makes the most money? This is something companies use to decide where to invest more resources. Now we can quickly see West region has the highest sales. Then the next highest is North, then South, and then East. Then there's some unknowns. So these unknowns are basically ones that did not identify as any region. So they are considered as unknowns. Next, which products are driving the most revenue? This tells us what's selling well and what's underperforming. We can quickly see that laptop is the top product with the highest revenue, and the lowest is chair. Now let's calculate the average order value. This shows how much customers spend per order. So we use the dot mean. Right now the output looks a bit technical again. So let's format it so it looks like a real business metric. Now we can clearly see the average order value is about 1,378 per year. This is important because it tells us how much customers are spending on an average. Let's find the top 5 highest value orders. These are the biggest transactions. And here we're going to change that to 5. We want to see the top 5. And here we get a quick preview of those top 5 orders. Now let's do trend over time. We're going to look at revenue over time. This helps identify trends, patterns, and peak days. And again, it gives you a very quick preview of order date and the highest revenue. But let's create a visual for this because it will make it a lot easier to understand. So the first thing you want to do is import your library, which we're going to use matplotlib. So here is our visual bar chart. Now we can quickly look at this and see which region has the top sales. So this is what we found: the top region, the best product, and the average order. So this is what data analysis is really about: turning data into insights. Now you know how to analyze data sets using Python. Next, I'll show you how to turn this into a dashboard. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.